Hi everybody, Shannon and Karen here with Wandering Out Yonder, and today we are in Hungry Mother State Park getting ready to do quite a few of the trails. They're going to be all hooked together and we're going to follow a trail and we'll show you on the map what we're going to do. But today, again, we are with some of our very favorites. My sister Frankie and her husband Chris. Hi!
Hey.
There you go, Chris. All right. So anyhow, we're going to go, we hope you guys will join us. And thanks for wandering out yonder with us. So what are we doing, guys? Show me.
So we're here.
Uh-huh.
Chris is trying to figure out the distance.
We're here, and we are going to go right on the trail down the Lake Trail Loop to the CCC Trail. Then we're going to go right again to catch the Molly Knob. Take this little spur here to Vista Trail. Then go back Molly's Knob,
Take across ridge, and then back.
catch the ridge, and then back on the lake.
Okay, that's what we're doing today. So we're at the back part of the dam. I'll show you the other side of it. Get ready to get to the top here. You can see. Here we go.
Somebody fishing.
Someone out there fishing.
That's dedication there, baby.
Cool. Ooh, look how pretty the mountain laurels are. Gorgeous.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous!
What?
It's gorgeous, I say, gorgeous!
We are hiking with the Big Hat people today. We decided we're going to call them the Big Hat people. Oh, wow. Oh, this is beautiful. I love the mountain laurel when it does this. So pretty. Whoops. Oh, these leaves are slick today.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, look at this. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Gorgeous, I say, gorgeous.
Yeah, and this trail's going along the side of the lake right now. Okay, so we just came up on what's called the Dynamite Shed. And this was built by the CCC, just like many things. There's the marquee on it. I like the little axe sign, that's kind of cool. Looks like there's some benches through here that you can sit. Across the bridge there. Look at that ridge, pretty. And come across the street. There's a little sign here.
I know, when the sun comes out.
The beach overlook. So I guess we're going to see an overlook. But there is an area out here dedicated for kids. That's kind of cool. And some old buildings. Kind of in a ravine area, sort of a hollow, if you want to call it that. Yeah. So it is super windy today and chilly, but the sun is out, right?
Yes.
Big Hat people. We brought Big Hat people with us. Okay, so this is called the Fox Discovery Area for kids. It's kind of cool.
Or big kids.
Or even big kids, yeah. As you can see, they get entertained as well. Talks about things in nature, of course. Has little stumps for the kids to sit on while they probably do presentations and stuff for them. Cool, neat little area. It's very pretty. Uh-oh, love the big tree stump there. That's really cool.
Do it.
Chris, you're such a good helper.
Ride it, cowgirl. You want my hat?
So we have a trailhead here. This is the CCC Trail. Getting ready to hit that. Now Molly's Knob is 1.1 miles. That's where we're heading. And if you go this way, it's the Lake Trail Loop Beach Overlook. But we are going to Molly's Knob. So we're on top of the ridge and we came to kind of an intersection. The trail goes that way and then up the mountain, but there is an orange blaze. Yeah, so we decided that's of course up, not down. So here we go. So far we are loving this trail. Kind of almost at the top of the ridge here. It just sort of zigzags up to the mountain. Pretty valley below. Gorgeous. Yep. Ah, pretty. So we made it to the top of the ridge here. Below that one, but so this runs, yeah. Again, we are on the CCC Trail right now, and this is taking us to the Molly Knob Trail. So that's where we're headed. But yeah, look down here. It just goes down. Okay, we are coming to a sign. I'm guessing we're getting ready to hit the Molly Knob Trail. And again, we were on the CCC Trail. It's an intersection up here. Oh yeah, there's bunches of signs. Yeah. So, yes. All right, yep. There we go, the official sign to Molly's Knob, which I am guessing that way up there
In a mile.
and I think y'all tell me what it's like when you get back down, all right?
Straight up there for a mile.
And that way is the Lake Trail Loop is a 0.8 miles down that way. So if you continued on, you'd be down at the bottom in 0.8 going that way. But we are going this way. Yikes. So we are at one of the trailheads, an intersection here. And that's the way up to the Vista. What's it called?
Up.
Just
Vista
up.
Trail, up.
That's where the 180-degree panoramic view is.
Highest point in the park.
Right.
That's where we're headed.
So we'll get to see that. But we came from there and it was pretty uphill. That was a pretty good climb. And we're getting ready to do some more. Here we go.
Woohoo!
So this is marked with a black diamond. Yikes. It's been a beautiful trail though so far. So I don't think we're too far away from the Molly Knob area. And then we'll be going on the Vista Trail. It's supposed to be a 180-degree view of the valley at about 3270 feet, somewhere in there. So a nice panoramic view we're hoping for. The rest of my crowd's behind me, making it up. Here they come. Hey. There they come. I don't know about you guys, but when the weather's cold, I don't drink as much. And I have to stop and remind myself to drink. Yeah, even if it's cold out.
You there yet?
It flattens up just a tad up here, Book. All right. Yeah, it's a pretty steep incline. Then you get a few little areas that flatten out. Yeah, this is a pretty good climb up here.
All thanks to Shannon.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're blaming Shannon.
I take
She's
the blame.
good with it. So just sharing some of the panoramic, beautiful view. We haven't even reached the top yet. But oh, it's beautiful. See way off in the distance, the mountains. Really pretty. But we still have a little bit ways to go. Okay. So we're hitting the top. And the question has been, is it gonna be worth it? Wow. It's worth it. Woohoo!
20 more steps.
But come on, look at that.
This is like a view in the Smokies.
Beautiful. Oh my God. So we made it to the top. This is our beautiful lunch spot. Up here having lunch. Say hey. But this is our beautiful lunch spot. I mean, can you beat this? No, I don't think so. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful.
2:30.
We want to leave up and eat it through the morning at work. You can make these like meal. I do all the time.
Okay, so we just finished with the Vista View, just north of Molly's Knob here. Gorgeous panoramic view. And we are heading down, and we were commenting how lucky we were the whole trail. We had to ourselves pretty much up till the end here. We ran into a few people as we were heading down. So we got real lucky.
Everything.
Yeah, had that panoramic view all to ourselves. Very, very cool. And as you can see ahead of you, you can see out there, it's going to be a pretty hike down. Gorgeous. Still heading down?
Yep.
Still heading down.
Yep.
Okay. So there's a beach overlook that way. And this way, this is the Ridge Trail. This is the trail we've been looking for, which takes us down to the Lake Trail Loop, which eventually takes us back to the campground. So we didn't even have to leave the campground to find the trailhead. We just walked to it from the campground. It's pretty cool that they have trails right off of the campground.
I guess that's
So we've come down the trail, but just so you, to show you, that's where we were. So you have to come back around that side of that mountain, down that ridge, and it wraps way around. So we are on this side of the ridge now. Yeah, that's pretty steep. So coming up on the observation deck, saw this listed on the trail. Yes, and so you can look out across the hollow or the ravine through here in the mountains.
1.3 miles to the summit.
Okay. Wow, look how cool that is. Pretty. It's really cool.
That is what we just climbed.
You can see here, the Lake Trail Loop is where we're headed. That should take us back down to the campground.
Yeah, we want to go back to the.
So yeah, you can see the lake here. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. And the trails here are very well taken care of. Nice wide trails. Nothing difficult about them other than the incline and the decline in some of them. Oh, look at that little bench. Very cool. So thanks everybody for joining us today as we went wandering out yonder here in Hungry Mother State Park. Beautiful day, fantastic hike. We all really enjoyed it.
Yeah,
We did.
It was a tough uphill. There were some sections that were tougher than others, but we did it, and we're glad we did because the view is spectacular. So again, thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you later.
Later.
Peace out.
You ready?
You gotta get both our hats in the picture.
I know. There.
Billy.
Look how cool you guys look. I know, Shannon, you got to get in.
Well-
I'm trying to get us all in.
And we just
Hey. So we have the big hat people with us today. Hey, everybody, ready?
Oh my.
Cut.
I won't tell the bad people story if you don't stop it.
I'll tell it. My mouth is still numb.
Hey, watching, and we'll see you later.
Later.
Peace out. Yo to the mother.
Hey.
Word to your mother.
Hey, look at our boots.
We got feet.
We got boots.
We got feet. We got pole. We got.